Coach, thank you so much. How do you prepare for the match against Kaizer Chiefs, knowing their physical play?
What?
How do you
Physical
prepare a match against Kaizer Chiefs? Know that they have their physical play.
What is physical play?
The approach of Kaizer Chiefs.
Is it physical? Is it physical, guys? Because one thing I can guarantee is that both teams are physically prepared for this match. And both teams are playing a game of football that requires the physical preparation as one of the fundamental factors of performance. And I did not see the physicality that maybe we're talking about. I think they are a very decent team that plays good football like us. The physicality always comes with the robustness and all that, and I'm not sure whether you are there or but to be honest, I don't think they are a team that relies a lot on physicality. I think they are a team that relies a lot on transitions this time around, and some good players.